In this video, I'm going to show you the best indicator that beats the ordinary sport and level indicators that are available on TradingView, because I'm going to show you the best one that actually works very well. And if you are going to use it as a combination in your trading, then you will be getting the very good results from that indicator. And the good part is that this indicator is completely free to use on TradingView. Okay, guys, before I jump into this video, let me tell you that there are so many fake channels on Telegram that are in the name of FX Mentor US official. Okay, so please make sure that when you are joining our community, always use the link that is given in the description of of my YouTube videos, because if you are going to use any other random search on Telegram, then we are not responsible for whatever, because the other people who are they are available on Telegram, they are asking for the investment advice and they are taking money from the innocent people. So please understand that always join the Telegram channel from the link that is given in the description of this video below, and make sure that you should not throw your money to anyone without any knowledge. Okay, so please use the right platform. Our community is much bigger than those people who are just working for few dollars on Telegram. So please understand, the link is provided in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, one more thing, please visit our website fxmentorus.com. If you go to the contact us option, you can find the Telegram link and the email address on our official website. And if you want to book our powerful indicators, that you can see the bank indicator, the other recent launch, the big players indicator, then you can simply contact on Telegram. And we also have the trading guru indicator. These are our private indicators. And if you want to learn the bank methods, then we have the 1 hour market maker coaching program. Okay, so you can see the feedbacks of the students who have learned from me, and now they are doing amazing jobs in the market, because they are catching the profits from every day from the market. Okay, so please find the details about all this on our website. Okay, coming back to the indicator, this is the super powerful indicator that is providing us the high and the low levels from where we can place our entries. And let's attach this indicator, and here we need to write MAND on TradingView. So when you write MAND on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called Mandragora X for Beverly Hills CM. Okay, and you can see normally I provide the stuff that is hidden on TradingView, and you can see this is just look at the numbers and you will realize that this is simply the new indicator that is not explored by anyone so far. So I'm just going to make the video about it first time on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you are going to subscribe the channel, because my content is always different from others, and you will be going to make a good number of profits by just getting the help from this YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so if you look at this indicator is using the red background and it's using the green background. Okay, and let me show you. For example, if we go to the gold, then the good part of this indicator is, like, guys, you normally use the very close support and resistance levels. Just look at this one. It is providing you the good resistance that is available at the top, and it is providing you the lower side support level here. Okay, so your plan should be like, I'm not saying that exactly from this high point and low point the market is going to retrace back. Yes, but your plan should be somewhere from here. Okay, so what is the good option? The good option is always wait for the you can use any indicator that is based on smart money concepts, and like the other indicators like break of structures. So you can use any indicator. So for example, if the market reached the high point, it doesn't mean that you are just simply going to place a sell order. No, we never use these type of tactics blindly. Always look for the break of structures. For example, this is our sport zone. Okay, now if the market comes and give a close below it, now you can trust that one and you can simply short your position from here. Okay, so always use indicators, the free indicators. They are available, yes, but always use them with the proper knowledge. Okay, now just look at this one. What I told you, always when the market hit the lowest point, it doesn't mean that you are entering into the buy position. Look at this. This was our previous resistance, and now you can see what happens. the market comes to our resistance, and then it made a bearish candle on the resistance and it retested as zone, and then you can see you got a very good scalping chance. The market moved into the upward side. Okay, so understand that, wait for the break of structures and do not just blindly follow the indicators, and then you will say at the end that the video that was provided to us, where the strategy does not work. The strategy normally works, okay, but the problem is that you guys don't use your little bit common judgment. Okay, so judgment is very important. Okay, now just look at this one. Very simple technique. The market hit the high point. You can see that was our support zone. You can see the market breaks that zone. Normally, it will be a very good entry that if you are going to wait for the retest, but this time the market has not retested and simply it's down. So there, that was the reason that the market break the support zone that was available at the top. Now you can consider that this high point is very valid. Okay, so similarly, you can use this indicator in multiple ways, and on this YouTube channel, you will be learning a lot of stuff that is going to give you the daily tips and tricks regarding the trading. Okay, and guys, if you want to book the coaching session with me, 1 hour coaching session, we don't have the like other people, the 1 month course and 2 month course. No, the straightforward strategy and the strategy for the bank strategy will be provided to to you in just 1 hour. And these are my premium indicators. Yes, regarding the big players indicator, it's not listed yet on our website, so you can watch the previous videos, and I have recently updated the videos even today, so you can watch the big players indicator. That is our best seller from the YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, if you like this strategy, please press the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't be never join the fake channels available on Telegram. Always join the official legit Telegram channel from the link that is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.